Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bhardwaj. I welcome you all for India Meteorological Department weekly weather briefing for 7th of November. As you can see in this picture, this is India INSAT 3D imagery, where you can see that there are different cyclonic circulation which are formed during last week. So as you can see, there was no major system are formed over our basin. Mostly the system are been confined near Comorin regions of Kerala coast, near Gulf of Mannar, southeast and adjoining west central areas, and also there was a system on 4th of November which formed over southeast Bay of Bengal, moved westward on 5th and 6th. It was now lying over southwest Bay of Bengal, and there was also one system you can see over northeastern adjoining areas, over northeastern Assam and adjoining areas on 31st. So these are the system. Since there was no major system, so only the very heavy rainfall which has been reported has been shown here. You can see that over the isolated location over Kerala and some of the station over Tamil Nadu, the very heavy rainfall which is in the range of 11 to 20 centimeter has been reported. So now if you talk about the rainfall scenario since last week, you can see here the normal rainfall has been reported over Kerala region, and if you see Telangana and Chhattisgarh and Assam and Meghalaya region, normal rainfall has been there since last week. If you talk about a deficient rainfall which is shown here in red color during last week, so it was over Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region and NMT region. And if we talk about the yellow portion which is largely deficient, which covers Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Ganjati, West Bengal, Gujarat, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, and including Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada regions and Lakshadweep regions. And over the northwest of India, you can see that Jammu and Kashmir and Leh Ladakh regions and Uttarakhand region also received largely deficient rainfall. Now if we talk about access to large excess, so Konkan and Goa regions and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Assam and Meghalaya Met subdivision received excess rainfall amount. So over a season, if we talk about, so southern peninsula of India is specifically Lakshadweep regions, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andaman Island receive the normal rainfall, and access to large excess, if you can see here, is South Interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Gujarat regions, Saurashtra, Kutch, isolated location, and Konkan and Goa regions receive the large excess rainfall amount. Northeast of India, if we talk about Gangetic West Bengal and Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh receive as a season as a whole excess amount of the rainfall. Compared to other regions, you can see that they are deficient to largely deficient, including central, many parts of the central and northwest of India. So this is the summary of the last season rainfall. If you talk about the country as a whole, the last week actual was 5.4, which is below normal by 43%. Normal was 9.5. And country as a whole for the 4th season, it was below normal 4%. Now this is the picture for the today's synoptic conditions. As you can see, there are cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal and NMT region, and you can also see the trough. Now these already been presented in our daily weather videos. You can see that. So mostly the rainfall is confined over southern peninsula of India, specifically Kerala and Tamil Nadu regions. Now the last week 7 days Tmax and Tmin temperature, you can see here. If you talk about the highest maximum temperature which was reported was 37.9 degrees Celsius over Rajkot in Gujarat on 4th of November, and the lowest minimum temperature was reported 13.1 over Delhi regions on 4th of November. Now this is an extended range forecast which will provide us the forecast for next 2 weeks. So the week 1, if you see that rainfall is likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, some parts of Karnataka, Rayalaseema and CAP. It is likely to be above normal rainfall over Tamil Nadu regions. And during week 2, mostly the rainfall will be confining in extreme southern peninsula of India, and Tamil Nadu and Kerala regions is likely to have received more than above rainfall amount. And is as far as temperature concerned, with respect to the extended range forecast from our model, the maximum temperature is likely to be above normal in many parts of northwest of India, east and northeast of India, and it will be likely to be below normal over central and west India. The same scenario will be for the week 2. So if we talk about the minimum temperature is likely to be above normal in northwest of India, and T-min is likely to be below normal in many parts of West India. So the T-min is likely to be above normal for week 2 in many parts, and it will be likely to be below normal over many parts of central and west India for week 2. Now if we summarize the condition for week 1, so no significant change in minimum temperature is likely over most part of the country during next 1 week, and rainfall is likely to be normal over some parts of southern peninsula of India and below normal over remaining part of the country. And for week 2, there will be likely of formation of feeble western disturbance over western Himalayan region, which will cause rain to snowfall during week 2. And overall rainfall will be confining over extreme southern peninsula of India, especially Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and rainfall is likely to be normal over those locations. And Kashmir may also receive over week 2 the normal rainfall amount. And as far as temperature goes, temperature is likely to fall slightly in most part of India during week 2. And as far as extended range outlook for the cyclogenesis, so there is no fresh cyclogenesis is likely over the both of basin, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea for next 2 weeks. And that's all for today, and you can follow us on our you can download updated information from IMD website, and you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. That's all for today. Namaskar, Dhanyavad.